Alright guys, we're taking another look at solving absolute value equations. So the goal is anytime we have an absolute value, we need to move everything away from it and then set up our two equations and solve. So in example 1, I have negative 10 minus 8 times the absolute value of x divided by 9 is equal to 18. So I have this absolute value here, and I need to get everything else away from it, meaning everything needs to go over to the right side of the equal sign. So the first thing I'm going to do is move the negative 10 by adding it to both sides. The 10s will cancel out on the left, and I'm left with negative 8 times the absolute value of x over 9 is equal to negative 8. Negative 18 plus 10 is still negative 8. Then what I'm going to do is divide both sides by negative 8, so that the negative 8s on the left cancel each other out. On the left side, I still have the absolute value of x divided by 9. And on the right side, negative 8 divided by itself is going to be a positive 1. From here, I'm going to break this up into two equations. X divided by 9 is equal to positive 1. X divided by 9 is equal to negative 1. Now what I'm going to do is get x by itself by multiplying both sides by 9. So x equals positive 9. And then multiply both sides by 9 on the second equation, so that x equals negative 9. In the second example, my absolute value is in the numerator of a fraction, so what I need to do is get rid of the denominator by multiplying both sides by 5 so that they cancel out on the left side. I still have the absolute value of 5 plus 2x, and now it's going to be equal to 25. I'm going to write out my two equations. The first one is 5 plus 2x is equal to 25. The second one is 5 plus 2x is equal to negative 25. From here, I'm going to solve for x by subtracting 5 from both sides. I have 2x is equal to 20. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And I have x is equal to 10 for my first answer. To get my second answer, I simply start by again subtracting 5 from both sides. I have 2x is equal to negative 30. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And I have x is equal to negative 15. Alright guys, that was our second look at solving absolute value equations. Remember, you have to get the absolute value completely by itself before you can set up your two equations and solve. Have a great day.